You might have a Viking stove like we do. Take a look. And pretty straightforward. These are phenomenal machines. You can take them apart, clean almost every piece of it. The only area that was a little tricky for us is my wife pulled the door out completely. I mean, completely out, so that she could clean everything. It was almost impossible to get this thing back in again. We tried everything. It's at this angle, and you pull straight up, you name it. The trick is that here, you'll see that these hinges here, they go flush down like this. So there's no way to get there. You have to push them out a little bit. The way to hold them, sounds kind of crazy, is you put a little screw like this in here. So you can see that okay? Right like this. And that will hold it in place while you're trying to put it back on the latch. It's like a finger. And you latch onto the bar inside here. Once you're done with that, put these back on again, screw it in, you're done. But no one shows us on the internet that you have to keep these things out with this when you're actually trying to put them back in again. Take care. Hope this is helpful. See you for now. Cool. And it works beautifully. See? Ta-da!